Artificial intelligence is everywhere today, but most people don't actually understand it. Because of that, many dangerous myths have spread online, myths that create fear, confusion, and bad decisions. In this video, we'll break down 5 of the most common myths about AI and explain the truth behind each one. Let's start with the first myth. Myth number 1. AI thinks and understands like a human. This is completely false. AI does not think. It does not understand meaning. It does not have awareness or emotions. What AI does is analyze patterns in massive amounts of data and predict the most likely output. When AI writes text, it's not thinking. It's predicting which word should come next based on probabilities. This misunderstanding is dangerous because it makes people trust AI more than they should. AI sounds confident, but confidence does not mean understanding. Myth number 2. AI is always accurate and objective. Many people assume that because AI is a machine, it must be neutral and correct. That's not true. AI is trained on human-created data. That data contains errors, bias, and outdated information. If the data is flawed, the AI's output will be flawed too. AI can give you an answer that sounds professional, logical, and convincing, and still be completely wrong. That's why AI should assist decision-making, not replace human judgment. Myth number 3. You need programming or technical skills to use AI. This myth stops millions of people from even trying AI tools. Modern AI tools are designed for non-technical users. You don't need to code, you don't need math, you don't need an engineering background. If you can type a question clearly, you can use AI. The real skill is not coding, it's communication. People who learn how to explain their needs clearly get the best results from AI. Myth number 4. AI will take over the world and control humans. This idea comes mostly from movies and science fiction. In reality, AI has no goals, no desires, and no intentions. AI does not want anything. Every AI system operates within rules defined by humans. It only does what it's allowed to do. The real risk is not AI becoming powerful on its own, it's humans misusing AI. Technology itself is neutral. How we use it determines the outcome. Myth number 5. AI kills creativity. This myth couldn't be more wrong. AI doesn't replace creativity, it enhances it. Writers use AI to brainstorm ideas. Designers use AI to explore visual concepts. Musicians use AI for inspiration. AI removes friction. It helps you move faster from idea to execution. Creativity still comes from humans. AI just helps unlock it. Final thought. Fear comes from misunderstanding. Once you understand what AI really is and what it is not, you can use it wisely, safely, and powerfully.